Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is a free video. Today is Thursday, June 11th. So, again, another day, another change of mind by the president, and the markets stage a pretty massive rally. Now, this happens to the downside, this happens to the upside, and the downside, and now the upside again. It's like a darn roller coaster. I don't really know what to tell you folks. The price action is quite volatile. It can be. I think overall we're still in a downtrend, but I don't know what else to say. When you are actively evaluating the markets from a price action and momentum standpoint, and even taking higher probability type income trades, it is very difficult to project on a regular basis what the market's going to do. When every time there's a change of mind and pronouncement or backing from a pronouncement and saying we're going one way and going another and then backing out of that again. Just like this, yesterday we were hitting, 2 days ago, we're very close to having a peace agreement. Yesterday, as it took too long, we're going to hit them hard. Today, we're just going to back off from it again. The markets are being whipsawed around by news. So we really need to be very careful on the type of trades we are doing. I would highly suggest that you limit yourself to a great extent of taking trades that are very short in duration, and be active about managing those positions, because the markets could whipsaw in the other direction, honestly, at every time. So be careful with overnight positions, because what may look bearish going into the close could easily be flipped on its head the next day, just because of something that comes across on the news. So be very cautious in this market. And I would actually suggest take profits fairly quickly. Okay? Be careful out there. Thank you very much.